Right, I'm going to try and alter this one. I don't like this, but I like the shape. So what I'm going to do is try and alter it. I wasn't going to do another one tonight because I was going out with Julie, but she's not well. I could do that. I'm just trying to think. I could leave that on the back, couldn't I, and just do that. I'm not fussed about that inside. No, not fussed at all. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Now, I'm going to be really careful. Okay, right. Yeah, and then I can trim all of that off. We can leave the back on because I'm not bothered about that. You won't see it on the tree. My tree's always chocker. Look what I found. From years ago, you must remember we sold them. So I'm going to put them back in the shop. We sold a bag of them. Now, let me just see. I have got this that might go round. Yeah, might use it. Is what's on my desk. Everything. Just everything. Sorry, I'm waiting for the glue gun because it's been a pain in the butt. What are these? Oh, look. Oh, I've got that as well. Oh, right. Okay. Didn't see that, you see. These are... Somebody sent me a bag of bits and I also collect things as well. Oh, yeah, I've got a couple of those. Oh, we could maybe put that on. Snowman button. Where's his hat? Oh, we've got this one. You just use up what you've got. That's how you do it. So I think this is about ready. Let me start at the top. Let's see. I hope you can see because the light's dimming and I don't want to shut the blind yet. It's too early to shut the blind. Right, so. Yeah, we're going to go tomorrow night instead. So, I do apologise. And, like I say, hopefully her arm's better and her headache's gone. I'm just going to clip these bits off that have overlapped too much. Otherwise it'll be a little bit bulky when I put the where's I put it? Here. I'm going to put some of this on. Chinese braid. Right. So, well, that's covered that nicely, hasn't it? I just got to sort this out. That'll do. Now, let's sort this out. Now, I'm going to go from the top down. And like I said, I'm not fussed about that. But we've got to get this even. Oh, so it won't work. Got to get in the centre. See? In the centre of this. Now I'm going to glue on the Chinese braid. Like that. That's nice. Nice. Oh, oh, bugger it. Drop my bloody glue gun. Oh, see, I was going to do that and I've gone and done that now. That's because you see my train of thought's gone. No, that's fine. I lost my train of thought. Now what I've got to do is to snip that. Pull that back. And push that in place. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine, isn't it? But do you know what? I wanted to put some... That's not quite long enough. Was that? No. Same length, you wally fee. Okie dokie. I hope you're still seeing it because I know the light, I say the light's going out. Let me just see if I can plug my light in. It might help. A little bit. Right. Okay, we've got that. Now, I want this. Now, I need something for the centre. I'm not happy with just that. And what I have are some of these, and we do sell them in the shop. I think we've got some left. We've got other centres anyway. Do I want that one? No. Look at that. See, not very big, but it'll do the job, and I like it. It's a little button. A little button. Which I'm now going to take apart. And it'll be ideal for the centre of that flower. Like that. And that's all it takes. Glue that in. And do it from this angle as well. And it's the right size. And it will sit there. Okie dokie smoky. Oops, turn you around. Just to block that off. That's it. So there's another one. This bit here, I'm not happy with it, but I'm going to stretch it. And it should sit. Okay, that's it, done. But there, I'm quite happy with that now. And of course that can be tied into a knot. Which we can trim and seal. There you go. So that's another one. Right. Let me just... oh, don't waste that because that can go into something. Let me just see what I've got here. If you want to know how to make this, it's a doll, but this was the first one. And it was just a tester to see how if I could get them small. It's just done out of some wire. The legs bend. They do have a little bit of wadding, you know, fibre. But I just thought it'll be great to make small ones. And I'm not going to say the word for who, because I can get my YouTube video taken off. But like I say, I can show you how to do them, and then you can do what you want with them. So I've got some skin tone fabric I'll do it with. Right, so we've got that one. Let me just get these down. So we've got the drum, the bauble, the shabby bauble, and the shabby bauble. Hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. And I'll speak to you all soon. Take care. Bye-bye for now.